Hey everyone, welcome back to Cloud Sutra. Today we are diving into the world of load balancers and the vital role they play in the modern cloud infrastructure. But first, let's understand what a load balancer is. A load balancer acts as a mediator between the client and the server. Its primary function is to distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers, ensuring no single server becomes overwhelmed. To illustrate this concept, let's consider a scenario. Imagine a popular online shopping website. When a single user makes a request, the server handles it smoothly. But what if hundreds or even thousands of users make requests simultaneously? Without a proper management, the server could crash under the weight of the traffic. To address this, we implement scaling strategies. There are main two types: horizontal and vertical scaling. Horizontal scaling involves adding more servers with a similar power, while vertical scaling increases the power of existing servers. In most cases, we opt for horizontal scaling. So imagine we have scaled up to 3 servers to handle this increased traffic. Now the challenge is, when a client makes a request, which server could handle it? It doesn't understand. Here, the load balancer comes in. The load balancer sits between the client and the server. When a client sends a request, the load balancer randomly directs it to one of the available servers or the server with most available resources. Once the server processes the request, it sends the response back to the client through the load balancer. But it's not just the client-server interaction that the load balancer manages. Server often needs to access database to retrieve or store data. When multiple servers are making requests to the database simultaneously, it can lead to increased database load. To solve this, we can also use a load balancer here. In this setup, server sends requests to the database through a load balancer, which then distribute those requests randomly or based on available resources. And in the next video, we are going to see advanced features of load balancers such as weighted load balancing, sticky sessions, health checks, SSL offloading, content-based routing, whitelisting, and blacklisting. Stay tuned for more insights into fascinating world of cloud and DevOps technologies. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.